Hello everyone. This is Pratik Singh and I am the host of this channel. So today we will know how to install MinGW, that is a compiler for C++, and that is known as also GCC. GCC is name of that compiler, GCC++. So we will install MinGW, but it is not compulsory that that you install only MinGW. You have varieties of choices that you can install either MinGW or My2MS named software, which is also a compiler for C++, or either you can just go on online compiler and just write down the code without any installation, and that will also don't allow to take resources of your system. So first of all, here in this video, we will see how to install MinGW GNU for Windows. That is a compiler, and which will also help us to run our code by VS Code. We will further see that how to install VS Code and how to use VS Code for VS Code as IDE for our code, and run it by GCC compiler, that is MinGW. So just go to your browser, any browser, whatever you like. In this case, I use my favorite, my MS Edge, which is already integrated with Windows. So uh, just type here MinGW GNU for Windows. MinGW GNUs for Windows, that, and just hit enter. So whatever the first website uh, you see, just go to this only, SourceForge, named as SourceForge. This, just go to this website, don't go to any other website. This is the official website, SourceForge, which is also alternative of GitHub, if you already knows GitHub what is. So just go to this and click on this download button, but remember to see this MinGW minimalist GNU for Windows. Don't install any other MinGW, just go to this GNU, minimalist GNU. So just click on this download button and let it to be download. Just wait for a few seconds. In this case, you will have to wait 5 seconds only, and your installer will be installed here. So as soon as your installer will be installed, just click on this open file and just go to install. So in my case, this MinGW is already installed. So I will show you how to install as in your system. But here and in your system, both will be same, but little bit some maybe differ because I have already installed this. So just avoid this, and I will show you how to install and what is main thing that you have to install and what you have uh, don't change in the settings of this installer. Just click on this install button and go ahead. Don't take or untick any box here. Without any changes, just click on continue. And in here my case, it is saying reinstall because I have already installed it. But in your case, there will something anything where you have to click on next or continue, whatever is displaying on your windows. Just click on that continue or something else. In this case, I will show it, click on reinstall, and in your system this window will open in front of you. So just wait for the installation until it get installed, and we will come here later after installation. Just waiting for that. It will take few seconds to install. Once it get installed, then click on here continue. But remember, you have a better internet connection. You must have a minimum of 1 GB of data for this whole installation process for MinGW as well as for VS Code, and their extensions in VS Code. We will see later what extension do you have to install. Just after installing this, their button will activate it, continue. Just click on that continue button and go ahead. And once it get continued, this window will pop up in front of you. Just click on this to installer. Remember, do not click on any other uh, settings. Just click on this MinGW32 base. Right click on it and just take as mark for installation. This, in my case, it is not available for this. This button is not activated because I have already installed. So click on this MinGW32 base and MinGW32 GCC G++. only these two you have to right click on that and click on mark for installation. Once you clicked on both these, just click on here installation tab and click on this apply changes. Once you have applied changes, just wait. A new window will pop up in front of you. Just wait for a few minutes. Once it get installed, just there will be a statement written over at the top that you can continue or exit to the installer. Once it done, you just close it and close this installer. Then you have to open your file manager. Just click Window plus E or just go to this file explorer and go to this Windows SSD, means in whatever local disk you have in which Windows installed, just go to that local disk and double click on it and just go to that MinGW folder and then click on the bin folder, and then you have to sorry, just back, don't click on bin, just click on bin folder and click on this. You have to copy this path, C colon backslash MinGW backslash bin. Just right click on this and from here you just have to copy. Then click on search button and click environment variable, search for environment variable. Once you found this setting environment variable, just open it and click on this path button. Single left click on this path icon and click on edit. Then this new window will pop up in front of you, and then just click on this new button and just paste it down, and don't make any other changes or write with your keyboard. Just simply copy and paste here. Once you copy or paste, then click on OK and then click on OK and you go. You have successfully installed MinGW G++, which is C++ compiler, and then go to VS Code installation. Once you have completed MinGW, just type on browser VS Code. This official website will come in front of this code.visualstudio.com. Just go to this website and wait for it, and this click on this Windows. If you are on Windows, then click on this Windows. If you are on Mac OS, then click whatever you like, .dev file or .rpm file, or just on console, uh, whatever command you, sorry, this is Linux, just install from snap or something else, whatever dev file. And if you are on Mac, then go to this Mac OS. So just install it from here for Windows. By the way, for Mac OS, there's an inbuilt IDE which is known as Xcode. So if you have prefer that Xcode, just go with that Xcode and wait for this installation. Once it get installed, then you have to run it. Open that file. Just go click next, 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 agree, accept, whatever it's showing. Next, next, next. Wait for that installation to be installed, and then you go. You have installed successfully. There's no any hard and fast any issues while related to installation of VS Code. So it's very simple to install VS Code. Just open installer and and next, 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 accept the terms and condition, license, etc., etc., whatever it's showing up, and it get installed. Now you have to do just open that VS Code. Let me open that VS Code. Hmm. So you have to click on this extension. In your case, it will showing here something, welcome to VS Code window. Just ignore that and click on this extension tab and search here for C/C++ and wait for searching. Just expand this from the here. Once you search it, this will come up in front of you, C++ by Microsoft and C++ extension pack. Just click on that, click on here, install, and same for this option or this also. Just click here. You will see install button. Click on that install and wait for the installation for both of these. Once it get installed, then you have to click on the search icon, search tab, and you have to search for code runner, code space runner here. So once you got searched, you will found some result, and that is this with dot run logo by June Han, if I pronounce it correct. So just click here also, a button you will see here for installed. Just click on that install button and wait for it also for installing. Once all three that get installed, then you are completely set it up for doing programming in C++. This step is different for any other programming language setup. uh, so just go for that individual setup which you have to do it. This is especially for C++, and for any other programming language you have to install their respective compilers and respective extensions from this VS Code extension tab. Once you got installed, just click on new folder or anything else and open any folder whatever you like, and in case I am opening this. So once you open this, you have to create a new file from here, like new dot cpp. That's the extension of C++ file, and then hit enter. There you go. Here you have successfully created a cpp file. How to code, what to code, how to understand that code, we will see in next video. So that's all for this video, and I am signing off.